There are two easy ways to get around in your project on Home by Me. The first one is the most widely used. Select 3D mode. Then click on your character and hold key press. You can then move your character wherever your project takes you. When you release the click, your camera moves automatically. You can also use your keyboard arrow keys. You can turn the camera up to 360 degrees in your project. To do this, simply click anywhere other than your character and hold down the key. You can then rotate your camera as you wish. For the second way to move around your project, use the first-person navigation mode. Click on the first-person footsteps. Click on the surfaces to move your camera. It works with walls and floor. Adjust the height of the viewpoint at your convenience. It is also possible to move from one room to another by clicking directly on the floor.